This is the T floor plan. Love this floor plan, it's so open and unique. Stainless steel appliances. Quartz countertops in this one. Built-in desk. Nice size living area, great windows. All the way into the dining. This is the guest side over here. Huge bedroom. Nice bathroom. Garden tub, marble detailing. Huge walk-in closet. Got a coat closet here. Also have a washer and dryer on the same hall. This is another large coat closet. Washer and dryer right behind you. This is the master suite. Very big bedroom. Master bath, double vanity. Has a stand-up shower as well as a garden tub. And a massive closet. Really, really beautiful floor plan. Lots of windows, lots of light.